Next, we will move on to the ionic bonds dot and cross diagrams. अब जैसे कि every type of bonding को हमने display करने के लिए we make diagrams. जैसे कि आपके पास cross diagrams, Venn diagrams हो जाती हैं for covalent bonding, metallic bonding आप बस through positive ions और negative electrons के सीधे से show करते हैं. Ionic bonds को भी हम एक dot and cross diagram से show करते हैं with brackets and the charges on both the ions. For example, हम एक bonding करते हैं of NaCl, sodium chloride. Now, how are we going to display this bonding? वो देखते हैं. Sodium is a group 1 metal, so we'll lose one outer electron to another atom to gain a full outer shell of electrons. Obviously, हमें पता है कि sodium है इसका +1 charge होगा. So a positive ion with the charge +1 is formed. Chlorine is a group 7 non-metal, so it will need to gain one electron to have a full outer shell of electrons. इसका charge -1 होगा. One electron will be transferred from the outer shell of sodium atom to the outer shell of chlorine atom. क्यों सोडियम जो है सोडियम is 281, chlorine is 287. This one electron will get transferred over here to chlorine. अब नई electronic configuration क्या हो जाएगी? Sodium would now be 28 and chlorine would now be 288. Now both of them have a complete outermost shell of electrons having 8 electrons each. So a chlorine atom will gain an electron to form a negatively charged chloride ion with a charge of -1, and the formula of the ionic compound would be NaCl, obviously. Here we have the diagram. अब ये आपके पास sodium है having 1 electron, and here you have chlorine having a space for 1 electron. A sodium atom donates its valence electron to the chlorine atom, and the chlorine atom gains that 1 electron given by sodium to form -1. Now both form stable ions with an outer shell of electrons. अब क्या हो जाएगा? इसके ऊपर +1 चार्ज आ जाएगा सोडियम के ऊपर, और आपका जो क्लोराइड आयन है क्लोरीन becomes क्लोराइड. सोडियम एटम को सोडियम आयन ही कहते हैं, क्लोरीन एटम का क्लोराइड आयन बन जाता है. आइड मीन्स -1, तो इसके ऊपर आपके पास आ जाता है -1 का चार्ज. Now due to this +1 and this -1, now these are both oppositely charged ions. Now, whenever there are oppositely charged ions, there is an electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Remember in physics, we covered different types of forces. उन different types of forces में यही होता है कि आप दोनों oppositely charged ions के दरमियान क्या होती है? Force of attraction. जबकि like charges में repulsion होती है. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक electrostatic force of attraction आ जाएगी, which is causing the bonds. अब जितनी stronger ये electrostatic force होगी, उतनी ज़्यादा energy, you would need more energy to overcome those forces of attraction or to break those ionic bonds. For example, जैसे आपके पास ये NaCl की example थी, Na ने +1 दिया, chlorine had -1. अब क्या होगा? क्लोरीन के ऊपर -1 का चार्ज था, सोडियम के ऊपर +1 का चार्ज था. Whenever you're doing this in the paper, you have to mention complete form. Okay, this is sodium ion and this is chloride ion. And one more thing, पहले सोडियम के पास 3 shells थे, 1, 2 and 3. When this last electron is removed, now the shell is empty now, so you do not have to draw the third shell in the brackets. Once you make these brackets, remove the third shell. All you have to do is make the new shells. New shells कौन से? इसका 1 है और इसका 2 ही shell हैं. इसके पास outermost shell में 8 electrons होंगे. क्लोरीन का भी आपको वो पिंक वाला, अब आपको दोनों के सिंबल्स अलग रखने. क्लोरीन को सोडियम को दे दें डॉट्स, क्लोरीन को दे दें क्रॉस. So the cross electrons are of chlorine and the dot electrons are of sodium. So एक sodium का dot electron, look at this. This is what is important. This is the thing that is actually important while drawing the diagrams. कि आपको represent करना पड़ेगा ये electron किस atom से आया है, and only draw the new shells and the new arrangement of electrons.